which has happened mainly coming from.
Good. Prakash, thank you very much for being here today. You are a very strong developer doing very interesting projects, not just in India, but in Dubai as well. I want to start by asking you to please introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about your company.
My name is Prakash Jalan. I am a chartered accountant, and the flagship company for construction is Grovy India Limited. We are using the same brand in Dubai also. That also the Grovy Real Estate, and I am into this line from the last 40 to 42 years, and I have started immediately after doing my chartered accountancy, and I just went into the construction line. And recently we have, in the last year, we have launched a category 2 alternative investment fund, which is approved by SEBI for the investments made by investors into the property market. So this type of fund, we are different from the REIT. Actually, this is an investment in the development of the property, not simply buying and staying in the property. So this is what I am doing from the last 40 years.
Can I ask you to tell us more about this fund and what's the size, how much money you want to attract to this fund, and where are you going to deploy this capital?
We have launched this fund only last year.
Right.
And the capital, the upper limit we have kept is 400 crore. That means, I think, that is 4 billion. And the primary focus for this fund is to invest in South Delhi and the Lutyens Delhi. They are the primary, most prime locations of Delhi. And the land availability is very less. The turnaround time for our projects is running from 15 months to 18 months. And the returns are stagnant and safe. So we have already raised some amount in this fund, and in the next 1 year, we are hoping to reach to our target. We are already trying to aggregate some properties into the South Delhi, and the Grovy India Limited is the main backbone will remain as the main backbone of the fund because of the 40 years experience. We can say we will integrate the back office, the back construction through Grovy India Limited, and with the help of our 40 years experience, we can safeguard all the investments of our investors. So the ultimate, it is a risk-free. Our market is entirely risk-free, and I think that we can achieve our target in 2025. And that's it.
When you look back at the last 40 years, you have seen all kind of challenges come in front of you, and still you are here doing well. If you had to look back in time and think about the most important lesson you have learned in real estate, think about all the challenges, what would that?
From the last 40 years, I have seen a lot of ups and downs in the market.
Can you imagine?
I have seen all around Delhi since I am in Dubai also. In 2008, I have seen the downfall of Dubai. I have seen the downfall in the Indian market also. I was there in Dubai also in 2008, and I was here in Delhi also in 2008. The type of market that we are in, and we are doing our business, is very safe in one sense, and I have learned that it is very safe. So that's the reason I am not going into the very volatile type of market. And what I have learned from the last 40 years is that don't be greedy. Put your money into some portion into a volatile portion, some portion into the little less volatile and some portion in a very stagnant market. People are putting money into the stock market also. There they are earning a lot. And I think that market is volatile, people are earning, but some some investment in property is a must. And that too is a South Delhi, which is very safe bet for everyone. And I have learned that the first of all, you should not be too much greedy. Our market is stagnant market and continuous 20-25% return you will continuously get.
Now, a question to someone with a lot of experience like you. I want to understand what inspires you nowadays. You know, you have done so much, you have had different kind of opportunity. What kind of thoughts or what drives you nowadays? What inspires you to continue this journey and where you want to get?
Yeah, this is a good question. From the last 40 years, I have done a lot. I have seen India growing. Then now the most inspiration point is the growth of India, which is definitely going to happen in the entire Southeast Asia. That keeps me busy with my Indian development. And the second inspiring instrument is the children's who have joined my business and who are more active than what I have been in the last 40 years. And they are all educated. They have a very good vision. And they are famous as a good businessman with the honest intentions. So this is inspiring me that I should really keep on continuing doing business till I am alive and I still remember and miles to go before I sleep.
A lovely answer. Thank you very much. Pleasure speaking to you.
which has happened mainly coming from
Good.